Recently, I was getting lot of requests to make this video on Nikola Tesla's 369 method and how can you use it to manifest your desires and how it is aligned with the law of attraction or power of subconscious mind and how you can use it for the manifestation part. If you have requested for this video, do let me know in the comment section, and even if you are waiting for this video or you want to understand it, then this video is going to blow your mind. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe, this is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. So recently, so many of you were requesting me to make this video on Nikola Tesla's 369 method for manifesting, and if you have requested this video, let me know in the comment section. And I was getting a lot of requests on Instagram, and if you are yet to follow me on Instagram, do follow me, Awesome Eze Official. Now, all of you are aware about Nikola Tesla. He was the greatest scientist of all time. He was the greatest genius and the greatest mind, you can say, not just scientifically, but in terms of even spiritual understanding of the universe. He was a genius, he was an enlightened being, he was a scientist, and so much more. But I'm not going to talk a lot about that because you can Google it and find it. And then one of the most important teaching of Nikola Tesla was the universe is made of energy and vibration, and that thing is basis of all his creation, like alternating current, and then so many things he has developed. Because if I'm going to talk about those things, this video will be 3-4 hours long, and you can find many more videos about his life and his experiments and his inventions and everything on YouTube and Google. So you can, if you are not yet aware about that, you can look for it. He was the greatest mind ever. So last year I had made a video on Nikola Tesla method, like especially his visualization technique and how he was using it, and how you can use the similar technique or the same process in your manifestation. If you are yet to check that video, I'll be putting the link in the description. Now recently, so many of you are requesting for this 369 method. So Nikola Tesla, in his experiment or in his understanding, he found out that these three numbers are kind of magic numbers or divine numbers, and there are so much of significance around the universe about these three numbers. And again, there are a lot of maths or experiment behind it. I'm not going to explain because that will be a lot. What I want to give you quickly here is how you can use this method 369, these three unique number 3, 6 and 9 for your manifestation part. So as per Nikola Tesla, these three numbers 3, 6, 9 are the unique number among everything, and they have a significance. And that is why even many of our, even in our spiritual teaching or spiritual processes, there are many things we do for a repetitive number of time, for a certain number of time, and usually most of the number, if you add on, it will either be a 3 or 6 or 9. Like especially in our Hindu religion, most of the time we chant mantra for 108 times, 108 add up to 9, or we do fasting for 21 days, or 21 again add up to 3. So like this, there are so many things are there, but how you are going to use it. So there are many people talk about in many ways, but the most significant or the powerful ways or the best way or the easiest way is like this. Choose a goal and set a statement for that goal. Write that goal down, like I am manifesting. If you are manifesting a dream job or health or money or relationship or whatever it is that you are manifesting, you form a sentence or a goal and you write it down. It should be 1 or 2 sentences, so that when you write it down, you will feel some energy and emotions. So you may write like, I am getting my dream job, and then you mention everything about maybe salary, company, the kind of environment you want, like that. Or I am manifesting my relationship, or I have manifested my relationship, and what all you want to experience in that relationship you can write. Or I am losing weight and I am feeling perfectly healthy, or I am perfectly attaining my perfect weight and I am fit, strong, healthy, like this. Or if you are manifesting money, you can write from where it is coming or how it is coming and how joyful you are. So write your statement like that, and then how you are using it in 369 method. The easiest way is like every day you are going to write that goal 3 times, then 6 times, and then 9 times during the day. So first thing you are going to do is write this goal 3 times in the morning in your journal and try to feel as much of positivity as you can. Then you keep it aside. Then during the evening or afternoon, whenever you have time between afternoon till evening, again write it down 6 times. So 6 repetitions of the same goal. And then again, before going to sleep at night, write it down 9 more times. So 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then again 9 times at night before going to sleep. This way you are going to create the vibration, and this way you are totally going to repeat the goal or the desire that you have for about 18 times during the whole day. Now when you do it, when you repeat it 3 times, like during 3 different timelines during the day, your focus will be on your goals. And when you keep on increasing like 3 times, 6 times and 9 times, your energy and focus on the goal will get stronger, and you don't get distracted towards the negativity, pain or any blocking energy. So it's like you will be initiating the energy and focus on your goal in the morning by writing it 3 times. Then you will be accelerating that energy when you write it 6 times in the afternoon or evening, and then you will be building up the momentum to really focus the energy by writing it 9 times at night before going to sleep. And you know that what you focus before going to sleep is the most important time and the most powerful time, and that's what I have explained in my earlier video of sleep technique. If you are yet to watch that technique, then you can check the link in the description. And after writing it 9 times even while sleeping, you keep repeating the goal in your mind and visualize it and feel it. So by aligning Nikola Tesla's 369 method along with the sleep technique, it will even become a lot more powerful. So this is a very simple method where we use the power of repetition. I have been talking about the power of repetition while manifesting something, because when we repeatedly focus on a goal and we keep repeating it, our focus and attention gets stronger, and that's when we manifest. Remember the focus experiment we did in the earlier video, and if you have done it, let me know in the comment section, that when we focus on something, wherever or whatever we focus on strongly and consistently, that's what we manifest or attract in our life. Wherever our attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what we manifest. So if we're waiting for this video, and if this video has cleared your doubt, let me know in the comment section, and let me know which goal you are going to focus or use this Tesla's 369 method in the comment section. And you can repeat this process for 21 days or 33 days or 45 days, like that, so that until you feel that certainty within you, you know that the manifestation is on its way. And this is a very simple and powerful process. You should use it. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes like this to apply and use the power of focus and repetitions and law of attraction and subconscious mind, then you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description. And if you are new here in our Awesome Tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our Awesome Tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Stay motivated, stay awesome.